Encouraging people to come out of their comfort zones, take some risks, and try new things requires a lot of communication skills. It requires feedback, but not critique. Telling people they are wrong may make the boss feel superior and good, but better feedback is a better strategy. Tell them what they are doing that is going well and praise them for that. Tell them what they could do to make things go even better. Telling staff, good job, is not praise, by the way. That comment is a very vague reflection on a piece of work. Tasks have many facets. The staff know that. And so which part of that project did they do well? We need bosses to be very specific about which bit was done well and how it was done well. The soft skills area is where the greatest productivity gains will come because hard skills education in Japan is already maximized. If Japan can unlock the full potential of the working population, we are in for an exciting future. If it can't, things look bleak.